Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying at home. I am Ranal Nija going to tell you a very beautiful story about a cute little girl named Sherry. Sherry found a bird's nest in her backyard on a tree. The nest had 3 beautiful eggs in it. Sherry was excited, and whenever she came back from the school, she used to run and watch the eggs. She was excited for its hatching. One day, she found the eggs hatched out, and beautiful 3 cute babies came out from the eggs. The mother bird used to feed these cute little babies with the worms. Next, they were very happy and quite excited with living happily. But as the days passed by, they were frightened of flying. They were too frightened to fly because their wings were not so strong. Similarly, the days passed by, and one day, after so many practicing, first bird jumped out of the nest, and what happened? She was flying. That was seen by the next bird. Second also jumped out of the nest and started to fly. Similarly, the third one also came out of the nest and started to fly. Sherry was quite excited to see all these activities of the birds, and she was very happily watching all the 4 birds flying high in the sky. But she was sad too because she wanted all these birds again back in their nest and living happily ever after. Thank you, children.